Hello, welcome back to Solpa's Educational Consult. In our today's class, we want to continue with permutation as a topic. And we have two questions before us to solve today. The first question says, how many ways can 4 boys be arranged in a class of 10 students? How many ways can 4 boys be arranged in a class of 10 students? Now, this is the solution. Look at it. 4 boys be arranged in a class of what? 10 students. It simply means, don't forget the formula for permutation. The formula is simply n permutation half, meaning that n factorial divided by n minus half factorial. This is the formula for the permutation. That should be the first thing that should come to our mind anytime we are solving permutation. Anytime we are solving questions under permutation, n permutation half is equal to n factorial divided by n minus half factorial. Now let's go back to our question. Here now our n is 10 and our half is 4. So therefore we have, for the first one, we have 10 permutation 4, which simply equals to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial. Are we getting it? And that equals to 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Are you getting the logic? Now, let's go. We have 10 times, to get the factorial, we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and divided by 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's solve the numerator and denominator in a different way. Let's solve them individually and see what we are going to get. Let's first of all solve the numerator. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. That gives us 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0, 0. And divided by the denominator now. Denominator is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that is 720. So we have 3, let's divide them by each other now. 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0, 0, divided by 720. So the answer simply equals to 5040 ways. That is the answer. 5040 ways. So that is the number of the ways that we can arrange 4 boys in a class of 10 students. So let's go to the second one. The second one simply says we should look for a way of arranging 3 oranges in a basket that contains 7 fruits. How many ways can 3 oranges be arranged in a basket of 7 fruits? Now we have 7 fruits in total. Then what are we focusing? We are focusing on what? 3 oranges. Don't forget the formula. The formula is n permutation half is equal to n factorial divided by n minus half factorial. Are we getting it now? So 2 now. Our n is the total fruit. That is 7. Then the group of fruit we are focusing on 3 oranges. We are focusing just on 3 oranges. That is why our half is 3. So 7 permutation 3. So that is the logic. 7 permutation 3 is what? So we have 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial. And what does that mean? It means that 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. So 7 factorial is what? 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we don't have to stress ourselves. We can just quickly solve it in a very short way. We have 4, 3, 2, 1 from here. You can cancel them. You can cancel anything from 4 upward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we have 4, 3, 2, 1 down here. So they have cancelled each other. 4 times 3 from the numerator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. In the denominator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. They can cancel out. So we are left with 7 times 6 times 5. That is 30 times 7. 0, 21. So the answer is going to be 210 ways. 210 ways. That is the answer. So the number of ways that we can arrange 3 oranges from a basket that contains 7 fruit. So is that clear to us? If it is not clear, you can still rewatch the video. Make sure you share this video to other groups for other students to also benefit. Make sure you like our page and give your comments. Thanks. See you later. Bye.